C3 to check out a unique specialty in classics, 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. As you can see by the hood here, yes, there is a 454 underneath it. That particular 454 has an LS6 cam in it and has dyno sheets that'll go along with this car. 470 horsepower, approximately 518 pound-feet of torque. They're on some different carb setups, what have you. The dyno sheets will go along with it. This car is healthy and it sounds good. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes. 454 is mated to an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and look at the nose cone here. This particular paint is blue-green, which would be paint code 945. So it has had a repaint along the line, but still very similar, I would say, to the color that this originally would have been back in 1975 when it came from Chevrolet. You see right here, there is a little scuff that is on that nose I wanted to point out, but overall this paint shows just excellent. This car gets a lot of comments just since it's gotten in our showroom here. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on American Classic. Wheels kind of a polished alloy looking wheel. A great look on this car. Interior two-tone of black and gray, vinyl cloth combination. There's that center console and the shifter on the floor. It does have a Pioneer aftermarket stereo in it, of course, tilt and telescopic column. If you would like to see more of those pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Don't mind the siren going off in the background. It's just the first Wednesday of the month. So they're doing tornado sirens around here. Some of the recent things that were done to this car: new springs and shocks front and rear. Like I said earlier, it has had a repaint. Also new carpeting throughout, as well as door panels. Heater core is new. Front brake, calipers, and pads. Aftermarket stereo, mentioned that earlier, and then that dyno sheet, approximately 470 horse, 518 pound-feet of torque. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Here's your door panels. Looking like they're in good shape. Again, carpeting new throughout. C3 covered cloth vinyl combination. All right. Now, as far as the engine and transmission, this odometer reads 65,538. If I can get the focus in for you, there you go. At approximately 61,000 when the tranny and the engine have been rebuilt and were put into this car. So approximately 4,500 on engine and transmission, FYI. See how easily it starts. That was a cold start too, by the way. Tachometer. Tach appears to work. Tachometer. I did notice the clock was not. Looks like fuel gauge is. Again, that was a cold start, so I don't expect anything to be on the temp gauge. Oil pressure, and of course your battery. There's a Pioneer stereo system. Yes, that is working. There's an aftermarket set of kind of box speakers in the back, so stereo does work. Take a look at the dash. Also in nice shape. And those seats pretty much look like they're free of any rips, tears, holes. Let's look around to the back of this. You can hear that cam in there. Listen to that. Definitely healthy. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay. Yeah, I tell you what, we can do it without pausing it. Let's just get that hood open quick. Now, one thing I did notice.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Headlights did not come up earlier, but we have not ran this car through our back shop. We want to get it listed quickly so we could get it online. Check with your sales consultant. probably something that will be taken care of or can be taken care of. Look at how nice that engine bay looks. Some chrome dress up underneath there. Again, 454, power steering, power brakes. Nice looking engine bay, good sounding car. Good looking C3, 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call in or email.